You've heard about Raiz, right? That app that supposedly helps you grow your money while you sleep. It's like magic, or so they say. But here's the burning question: does Raiz invest in crypto? I mean, it's the Wild West of finance, right? Everyone's talking about it. So, let's dive in and find out if Raiz is joining the crypto party. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why crypto is such a big deal. It's like digital gold, but with superpowers. You've got Bitcoin, the OG, and then there's Ethereum, which is like the brain behind countless crypto projects. And let's not forget about all the other coins and tokens out there, each promising to revolutionize something or other. It's a roller coaster of emotions, isn't it? So, why would you want to invest in crypto? Well, some people believe it's the future of money. It's decentralized, which means no banks controlling your cash. And it has the potential for huge returns. But let's be real, it's also incredibly volatile. One day you're on top of the world, the next you're wondering if you'll ever see your money again. Okay, back to Raiz. What exactly is it? Well, it's a micro-investing app. Basically, you round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the spare change. It's a sneaky way to save, right? And they offer a range of investment options, from ETFs to managed funds. But does crypto fit into that mix? Let's look at the facts. As of insert date, Raiz does not offer direct investment in cryptocurrencies. They stick to more traditional assets. Which, to be fair, is understandable. Crypto is still pretty new, and regulations are a mess. Plus, it's super volatile. So, it's probably not something a platform like Raiz, which is all about long-term investing, wants to mess with. But don't get me wrong, just because Raiz isn't in the crypto game doesn't mean you shouldn't be. If you're young and willing to take risks, crypto might be worth considering. But it's essential to do your research, understand the technology, and only invest what you can afford to lose. So, there you have it. Raiz is a great tool for building wealth over time, but it's not your ticket to crypto riches. If you're looking to dip your toes into the world of digital currencies, you'll need to explore other options. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about those other investing apps? Do they offer crypto? Well, that's a topic for another video. Stay tuned. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.